Neville Goddard. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and observe the route that your attention follows. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success, love, and happiness so effortlessly? What if I told you that you could tap into that same power simply by changing the way you think and feel? Welcome to the world of the law of assumption, a profound concept popularized by Neville Goddard that promises just that. Let's start with an intriguing idea. Imagine for a moment that every belief you hold creates the world around you. The law of assumption isn't just about positive thinking. It's about living as if your greatest desires are already your reality. This isn't a New Age myth, but a practice rooted in the belief that your mind can transform your life. Neville Goddard, the pioneer behind this powerful concept, taught that our assumptions, whether conscious or subconscious, shape our experiences and define our reality. If you assume success, joy, and abundance, you set the stage for these states to become your reality. It's like setting a GPS destination in your car. Once you input where you want to go, the path unfolds before you. Now, how does this work in everyday life? It starts with a simple yet transformative shift in perspective. Instead of wishing for a change or feeling stuck in what you don't want, you begin to assume that you are already where you wish to be. This means living, feeling, and making choices as if your goals have already been achieved. It's a practice of aligning your emotional and mental states with the reality you want to create. The magic of the law of assumption is in its simplicity and the profound impact it can have on your life. By assuming that you have already achieved your desires, you invite incredible changes. Your actions, thoughts, and responses naturally align with your assumed reality, drawing the very experiences you envision into your life. This practice is not just about achieving material success, it's a journey towards a more fulfilled and purposeful existence. It empowers you to break free from limiting beliefs and to embrace a life where anything is possible. The law of assumption encourages you to shift from a passive state of wanting to an active state of being, which transforms how you interact with the world. As you explore this journey, remember, the key to mastering the law of assumption is consistency. It's not enough to practice it once and forget. It requires a daily commitment to live and breathe your assumed reality. This might sound challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Not only can it lead to tangible outcomes, but it also cultivates a profound inner transformation that echoes across all aspects of your life. So, are you ready to assume your way to a new reality? The power is literally at your fingertips, and the only limit is your own beliefs. Start today and watch as the world transforms around you, aligning with your deepest desires and dreams. Let the law of assumption guide you to a life of limitless possibilities. Beliefs are the foundation upon which we build the architecture of our lives. Just as ancient philosophers taught that our perceptions shape our realities, modern thinkers like Giselle Beaumet emphasize that our conscious and unconscious convictions act as blueprints for our experiences. This powerful connection between belief and reality underscores the necessity of nurturing positive, empowering beliefs that pave the way to achieving our desires. Identifying your desires is the first crucial step in leveraging the law of assumption. It's about getting crystal clear on what you want from life, not just in vague terms, but with precision and detail. The process involves deep introspection, where you visualize not just the end goal, but the steps leading up to it, capturing the essence of your desires as vividly as possible. This practice lays a strong foundation for the transformative journey ahead. Visualization is a dynamic tool in manifesting your desires. By vividly picturing your life as if you've already achieved your goals, you engage deeply with your subconscious mind. This technique isn't just about daydreaming in passing. It's an active, emotional engagement where you immerse yourself in the feelings and experiences of your fulfilled desires, making them feel attainable and real. Emotions are the language of the subconscious. By cultivating the feelings associated with your desires, as if they are already part of your reality, you reinforce these desires in your consciousness. This emotional alignment is crucial because it amplifies your belief and expectation, making the manifestation process more powerful and effective. Neville Goddard: change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Affirmations serve as daily reminders of your goals and help align your mindset with your intentions. Crafting affirmations that resonate with your desires reinforces your belief in their inevitability. These positive, affirming statements keep your focus on your goals and foster a positive mental environment conducive to manifestation. Acting as if you've already achieved your desires is a practice that complements affirmations. It involves aligning your actions and responses as though your goals have been met, thereby reinforcing the assumed reality in your daily life. This method helps in solidifying your beliefs and making your desired outcomes feel natural and expected. However, it's crucial to be aware of and avoid common pitfalls such as doubt and negative self-talk, which can undermine your manifestation efforts. Staying vigilant against these negative influences ensures that your mindset remains positive and focused on your goals. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine, even if only for a few minutes each day, helps maintain a steady focus on your goals and keeps the law of assumption active in your life. Persistence in these practices, even when faced with setbacks, is key to long-term success. Celebrating small victories along the way fosters a sense of progress and motivation, making the journey more enjoyable and rewarding. Integrating these techniques into your spiritual practices, like prayer, can enhance their potency and deepen your spiritual connection. This integration makes your spiritual routine not only a time for reflection, but also a powerful tool for personal transformation. Looking towards the future, the persistent practice of these principles can lead to significant life changes, opening doors to new possibilities and bringing about a profound transformation in one's personal and professional life. The journey through the law of assumption is not just about achieving specific goals, but also about the growth and insights gained along the way. As we conclude this enlightening journey into the law of assumption, it's important to recap the transformative insights we've explored together. We've delved into the power of belief, illustrating how our deepest convictions shape the tapestry of our lives, much like the wise philosophers and modern thinkers have suggested. This foundational understanding is crucial as it sets the stage for everything that follows. We've learned how to clearly identify and articulate our desires, moving beyond vague wishes to define our dreams with precision and clarity. Visualization, a key technique in manifesting these desires, involves not just seeing, but feeling the reality of our dreams as already fulfilled. This emotional engagement is vital, for it is the emotions that speak directly to our subconscious, helping to cement our beliefs and expectations. Affirmations and the practice of acting as if further reinforce these concepts, allowing us to align our daily actions and mindset with our goals. But remember, awareness of and vigilance against common pitfalls like doubt and negative self-talk are essential to maintain the integrity of our positive mindset. Incorporating these practices into a daily routine, even for just a few minutes, can significantly bolster our manifestation efforts. It's the consistency of these practices that fosters not only the manifestation of our desires, but also a profound internal growth and resilience. And when setbacks arise, as they inevitably will, the strategies we've discussed for handling them will ensure that we maintain a positive trajectory. Celebrating each small win along the way is not just about marking progress, but about reinforcing our journey towards transformation and fulfillment. And as we integrate these practices into our deeper spiritual routines, we magnify their effects and enrich our spiritual lives. Now, I encourage you to take these insights and apply them to your own life. Start with small, manageable practices each day. Feel the reality of your desires, use affirmations, and act as if your dreams are already your reality. The power of the law of assumption is in your hands, and the changes you wish to see can start today. Remember, the journey of manifestation is not just about achieving goals, but about the transformative process that reshapes our entire being. And if you found value in this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this and helps you stay connected with a community of like-minded individuals who are on this journey of self-discovery and transformation. Subscribe and join us as we explore more profound truths and techniques that can elevate your life to new heights. Thank you for watching, and remember, the power to change your life lies within your own beliefs and actions. Start manifesting your dreams with the law of assumption.